Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Today I will be showing you how to make the easiest 5-ingredient sweet and salties. The recipe will be below as well. Let's get started. To start off, we need to make the caramel. This homemade recipe is so easy and you only need 2 ingredients. Start off in a small or medium saucepan and add 2 sticks of salted or unsalted butter. Stir on low heat until it is almost fully melted. Next, add 1 cup of light brown sugar and whisk it together. When the brown sugar is almost totally combined, put the mixture on high and bring it to a boil. Once you see bubbles forming on the top and sides, stir it until it comes to a thick, creamy caramel sauce. Next, line a baking tray with parchment paper. The best crackers for this recipe are saltines. You want to line them on the baking tray salted side down. Do this until the whole tray is filled up. Now pour that caramel onto the crackers. You want to do this when the caramel is still very hot so that it spreads more easily. Spread it all across the saltines. If the caramel doesn't go all the way to the edges, you can always take some of the crackers away. Then place these in a 425-degree oven for around 3 to 5 minutes or until the caramel is bubbling. Once they are done, sprinkle about 1 cup of chocolate chips over the crackers. Then place these back in a warm oven for about 5 minutes. When the chocolate chips are melted, take it out of the oven and spread the chocolate around. If you would like, you can add some crushed pecans or walnuts to the top for some extra crunch. The final step is to wait. Place these in the refrigerator until the chocolate is hardened. Then you can enjoy them. These sweet and salty crackers are so easy to make and are a perfect lunch snack or a delectable dessert. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye!